Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Richriser. Richriser is a product by Nagu Dharan and Kevin McClenahan. So Richriser is a step-by-step video tutorial that teaches you how everything about affiliate marketing and how you can drive traffic to your offers. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button also down below. And as usual guys, I have some of my awesome bonuses that I shall be adding today if you're purchasing through my link. All you need to do also is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my bonus page and my 5 bonuses shall be added. So in a minute, I'm going to take you guys to the sales page so that we can see what these guys are saying about Richriser. We shall also see the features of Richriser, and then I'll take you to what some of the marketers are saying about Richriser. And of course, I will take you guys also to see the bonuses that Nagu and Kevin added to their product already. So let's dive right in. So this is the sales page of a Richriser, and Nagu and Kevin today are saying that you discovered their top secret blueprint, how they went from $0 to $385 plus, recurring on affiliate commissions, unlock free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. And these are the features of this app, so of this product, that it is 100% newbie friendly, and they will show you the exact method they use to earn over $385. You will learn how to find high converting affiliate offer on Google and learn how to rank videos in YouTube and Google to get more free traffic. You also says you don't need to show your face on camera, so this is particularly for those that are camera shy. You don't need a hosting, a website or an email list. You get free traffic, no paid ads, and then you work today and earn rewards for them forever. All right, these are the features. Actually, this guy right here is the Nagu, one of the guys that put this product together. So I have shown you the features of this app. Okay, these are the two guys, Nagu here and Kevin right here. Okay, let me take you guys quickly to see what some of the top marketers are saying about this product. So this is Johnny Rose. I'll read. He says, whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned internet marketing veteran, Richriser contains everything you need to make 3 to 4 figures a day. Nagu and Kevin reveal everything with easy to follow training. There is no excuse for you to not be earning with this. And then John here has also written something. So for the sake of time, guys, I am not gonna read all that they have written. So another top affiliate is Rudy Rudra, and then Cynthia Benitez. All right, let me take you guys quickly to the bonuses that he has added. So the first bonus that he has added is a hack on how you can earn $1,000 a day using Google. The second bonus is simple 4-step secret formula to make 10K per month. Then the third bonus is beginner's guide, how to build a website with WordPress from scratch. And then the fourth bonus is launch jacking. So full-time bank with part-time affiliate strategy. And the total value of his bonus, the bonuses that he has added, is $997. So guys, now I have shown you his own bonuses. Remember, this with this pack, you actually have a 30-day money back guarantee. So even if you're purchasing the front end, you have the bonuses added. And after 30 days, if it doesn't work as promised or you don't like it anymore, you can be refunded with no questions asked. And then speaking of bonuses, guys, I'm going to take you guys quickly to my own bonuses. Remember, for you to access my bonuses, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page, and this is my bonus page. And guys, the clock is ticking. You have 5 days left before my bonuses expire. So if you purchase within this time frame, I'm assuring you that you have access to all the bonuses that I've added. But once the time elapses, it's no longer a guarantee. So about the bonus, the first one is a big shout out to Jonah Armstrong for actually making this bonus available. So the first one is a hack. So you get over 35 bonuses to use in your promos. The second one is you make pro review video using Launch Jacker. The third one is you learn how to do proper email marketing. The fourth bonus is access to Enigma, and you can only access this within the first 12 hours. So, and then you have access, of course, to all vendor bonuses. So guys, if you're purchasing this, if you signed in through Warrior Plus, something like this pops up. This is what you see. So to access all these bonuses, all you need to do is to click on the blue link or the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus, and then the bonuses shall automatically be added. If you signed in through JVZoo, this is what you see right here, where the arrow where the red arrow is. Click on that box, and then the bonuses shall be added. Guys, now I have shown you all the bonuses. Remember, with just the front end, you have access to all these bonuses. And then about the prices and the upsell, guys, the front end is actually $17. So $17 will give you access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned. And then if you upgrade to upsell 1, which is the pro, it is $37. So with that, with the pro, you get advanced strategies to make your earnings 1,000 times faster with little extra effort. The upsell 2, which is the done for you service, is $147. So they will do the groundwork to find a good converting offer for you. So an easy to rank keywords, 250 words of articles for your main key. And they will also optimize the video titles, description, and tags. And then the upsell 3, which is the double reseller right, is $67. So you get to sell Richriser as your own product and keep the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as their previous products. And then with the upsell 4, you have access to, actually the upsell 4 is one-on-one Skype coaching for a month. And the price for this is $547. It's between $547 to $597. And then your clients will receive 2 to 3 days Skype coaching sessions with them and have email and Facebook support for a month. So guys, I have shown you all the prices, the upsells. And then these are, like I mentioned earlier, these are some of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting. And I've also shown you the bonuses and how you can access the bonuses by clicking on the link that I've shown you that is in the description box below. So let me take you quickly to the demo. Let's see how this works. So if you log in, this is the members area. If you sign in, so this is what you see. This is pretty much the video training is divided into sections 1 through 7. So you get the overview, the content. So this is actually the way it looks if you log in. So you click on the must watch. This is the intro, and then this is the method overview, and then the resources. The third section, you have the find offer with free trial with the trick included, make tutorial video, find easy to rank keyword, and framework to pursue traffic quickly. So basically, for each of this, you click on it, you see other materials, other modules included. And guys, you also get to take a quiz, which is the fun part. And then the last section is where you get to access all the bonuses that they have added, guys. Already, so let's take a listen to what Nagu has to say, the intro part of it.
Hey, welcome and congratulations for purchasing this wonderful course. I am sure you will learn a lot of insights with this course. What makes you better compare with others? Well, it's taking action. So I appreciate you to took the action to purchase this course, and you are started to learn the new things to get success on your affiliate marketing journey. Well, so once you learn the new things from this course, don't forget to apply them. Then only you will get a good success. I wish you for your success. So with that said, I have given down below this video my YouTube channel.
So guys, this is just the intro part of it from Nagu already. So don't forget, guys, this wraps up my presentation today. Remember, I've shown you the sales page, I've shown you the bonuses and how you can access them, and also I discussed about the prices and the upsells. So with just $17, you will have access to all the bonuses. And for you to have my 5 bonuses included, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. And guys, I'll stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.